Hello, my name is Jessica Vais, and I'm an educator with IdHAIR North America. Today, I'd like to share with you some product knowledge. Today's product spotlight is on IdHAIR Me Heat Defender. Now this little bottle packs quite the powerful punch. This is your hero. When you are styling with hot tools, this should be your go-to and the first thing that you grab. This bottle right here will protect your hair from hot tools up to 230 degrees. Want to see how? This heat defender can be used on damp or dry hair, so let's see how it is your superhero. It's an aerosol spray, and you just take your section and it will protect your hair up to 230 degrees. Look at how it adds that shine back to the hair. And super straight. It's beautiful. So who are you going to let be your superhero? We hope you enjoyed our video today. And if you did, subscribe to our YouTube channel at IdHAIR North America on Instagram or Facebook. And don't forget to hit like below and share with your friends.